The speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The worst day on Wall Street since the crash of 1987.
Leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. We see this time and time again from BlackRock. They do something that seems like they're moving in the right direction. And said that gun manufacturers should do more to protect the lives of the American people. Said these companies about improving safety, but so far, so does its engagement with authoritarian governments. Or unknowingly, given BlackRock money, self-imposed mandates to help reduce that over time.
Releasing its numbers this morning, shares are down about 1.2%. About expectations, it's all about
around that business, but seems to be growing.
Are you curious about generating passive income through automated trading on Bybit? I've got something interesting to share, and it's completely free. Click on the link below to follow along with my trades, and you won't even need to sit in front of your computer all day. You can also take a look at my monthly trading earnings, which I'm sharing openly by clicking the link in the description. It's all about making financial gains at your own pace. Check it out.
Finally, the time has come that we have all been waiting for. The price of Shiba Inu is skyrocketing, and in the last 24 hours, a lot of news has emerged. The price of the Shib is now a make or break factor. You should watch this if you own any Shib tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What is the most recent Shiba Inu coin, and how will this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. But before we get into our subject, let's look at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on October 26. Today's price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 799 units. Over the past 24 hours, the price has increased by 8.4%, with $306 to $5 million worth of trade activity. The token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of more than $4.7 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you watched the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Check out our brand new official Telegram channel by clicking the description's link. Let's start the video for today now. According to the Robinhood collaboration, Shiba Inu struck gold. The American financial services giant Robinhood has made a big leap in the Bitcoin space by consciously expanding its products to include the state of Nevada. The platform currently makes it easier to purchase, sell, and keep track of market data in real time for a variety of digital assets. These assets include well-known cryptocurrencies like Ether and Bitcoin, as well as well-known meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. The place of Shiba Inu in Robinhood's collection. Despite being a meme coin, Shiba Inu has drawn the interest of platforms and investors alike. The cryptocurrency platform has ventured into the Shiba Inu realm before, as evidenced by Robinhood's statement that it will incorporate Shib into its offerings. The adoption of Shib by Robinhood in April of the previous year caused a startling 35% spike in its price, demonstrating the influence of significant platform support on digital assets. Robinhood is more than simply an online marketplace for Shiba Inu. It is among the biggest token holders as well. According to the most recent data, the network has almost 35 trillion Shib tokens, which at current exchange rates are worth about $250 million. This sizable holding gives Robinhood a distinct advantage inside the Shib ecosystem and may have an impact on the token's future worth. We would greatly appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. Those who adopted Bitcoin early advised investors to purchase Shiba Inu. Similar to how he advocated for Bitcoin as early as 2013, DaVinci also supported Shiba Inu earlier this year. He suggested investors purchase as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin at the time because he thought it had the potential to transform people's lives. Shiba Inu, why? In response to an investor's question, asking for advice on which digital currency to add, DaVinci replied in 2 words. He expressed his response to Shiba. DaVinci did not go into detail regarding his main arguments, save for emphasizing the fact that Shiba Inu typically yields large returns for investors down the road. This did not, however, negate the obvious qualities of Shiba Inu that make them a great choice for investments, especially for novice traders. Shiba Inu possesses strong foundations. Because of the many novel and promising ideas connected to its ecosystem, Shiba Inu is also a top choice for portfolios held by retail and whale investors. The introduction of Shibarium, its Layer 2 scaling solution, is the most notable of these. Because of Shibarium's architecture, decentralized apps can be hosted, expanding Shibarium's usefulness and potential price increase over time. In August, amidst the excitement of the Shibarium, Devinsai acknowledged the significant developments for Shib. The most significant mechanism to lower the token supply is Shib's deflationary function. It is still highly anticipated that Shib will reach the 1 cent price level if this deflation coincides with increased demand. It's time for the video's primary plot now. A $50 million rise is triggered by Shiba Inu whales amid the FOMO frenzy. Shiba Inu, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency that has attracted a lot of attention, grabbed center stage during a week that saw an incredible rise in the cryptocurrency market. Concurrently, Shiba Inu saw a notable rise in on-chain activity, including the volume of trades. Over 50 million sheath transactions were facilitated by the cryptocurrency wallet in the same time frame. There was a noticeable upsurge in trading volume and on-chain activity within the Bitcoin community. Shib's market value increased by around $300 million between October 23 and October 24 at the time of publishing. As of right now, it is $4.37 billion. This emphasizes the obvious bullish trend and the widespread belief among investors that they will lose out on something. For Shib holders, the rise in trading volume is encouraging, but the growth in on-chain activity is even more significant. During this time, there was a noticeable spike in whale activity associated with Shib transactions. This was especially true for transactions involving amounts greater than $500,000. The spot on-chain platform allowed for careful monitoring of these transactions. Shiba Inu tokens valued at $48.553 million were seen being moved by whales in a single day. In 15 transactions, more than 6.40 trillion Shib tokens were exchanged. Bitcoin and Binance, two of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, were involved in these transactions. Along with a few secret addresses, it also contained well-known industry participants like Wintermute Trading, Robinhood, and Bitcoin Turk. However, why do whales spend so much money on Shiba Inu? Let's examine this. Arriving is a Shib bull market. There are 3 items to check out this week. This past week saw Shiba Inu turn bullish, and the price is reaching all-time highs. There are 2 numbers that need to be considered. Major tiers of support: 770 pieces. Vital resistance values: 840 pieces. 1. Breakout and increased peak levels. Shib's price was able to cross over 770, and this is now a significant support level. The likelihood that the price will move fast to the next resistance level at 840 will rise if buyers maintain their dominance. 2. A positive momentum. The momentum indicators are becoming more and more popular. Really bullish, and there's still a good amount of room for the price to rise before sellers can come back. Once the price reaches the critical resistance, keep an eye out for a potential drop. 3. Verified bullish cross. The MCD bullish cross on the 3-day period is validated by this most recent breakout. In the next few weeks, there may be a prolonged rally that begins with this. Additionally, the buying volume grew, putting bulls in a bull market. It is widely believed that Shib may overcome the resistance level of 840 units. Should this occur, Shib's price may be deleted, providing investors with significant profits. Because they trust in the real-world worth of Shib and the developers of Shib, many of our subscribers mention that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead hoard millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of your Shib holdings in the box below the comments. Let's give the Shib holder credit for having faith in and trusting the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to receive updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications. However, Shib isn't the only project you ought to be considering purchasing right now. It's actually the ideal time to purchase 5 altcoins that have the potential to make investors millionaires.